I just got the Google Pixelsnap Ringstand. Let's unbox it, shall we? Okay, inside we have the ring stand, and then some paperwork, limited warranty stuff. Here it is, the new Google Pixelsnap Ringstand for the Google Pixel 10 phones. Right off the bat, the color is in Moonstone, so a little preview of what the Moonstone color would have looked like. And let's get it on the Pixel 10. Nice little snap on there, wow. Okay. It'll rotate a little bit, and then you've got a little stand. Comes off pretty easily, but it also feels pretty secure. Give it a couple shakes. Oh, okay, I was able to get it off there. It will come off with some vigorous shaking, or like a one big push. Let me try it with the Pixelsnap case as well. Let me bring the case. Okay, I'm back with the Pixelsnap case on my Pixel 10 Pro, and let's see if the extra magnets help. Give it a shake. Okay. I don't know that it's more secure. Maybe equally. But yeah. Just know that it's magnetic, so it will come off. But otherwise, if you're just holding it normally though, it's okay. And then let's see how it functions as a stand. That's pretty nice. So it seems to be using the same kind of hinge that they used on the Pixel tablet. And I really like that hinge. It can go full 360. And then we can set it down different angles. So there's this angle. We can have it be a little bit more like that. What about something like this? Yeah, so that way you could pop your phone up while at work or something on your desk. I like that. I really like that a lot. So I can take this off my Pixel 10 Pro and put it on my Pixel 10 as well. Nice. And then whenever you don't need it, you can put it away. And how does it feel in the hand? Tucked away like that. It feels pretty good. I feel like it helps with gripability. I also like the contrast of the purple and the green. It's kind of Barney vibes, reverse Barney vibes. But yeah, that is the new Pixelsnap Ringstand. I do wish they had them available in other colors so that you could get one that matched your phone, but still a cool accessory to the Pixel phone lineup. Thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Angel, the Google Pixel Guy. Consider subscribing for more of my coverage of the Pixel 10 series. You take care now. Bye-bye.